Good morning, everybody. Man, it's your boy Treasy Inc.
Why did they get their number?
And I'm back with another vlog for y'all boys. We're currently in Columbus, Georgia.
Vlog the whole van.
Finna get the whole van in here. You know what I mean? I'm over to sleep, but at first I wasn't gonna vlog this, but hey, the grind never stops. So currently we en route to the mall. Let's see what this mall has, and hopefully we get to buy something nice. We're up here for Thanksgiving, so I mean, ultimately, like, it's cold up here. It's like 46 degrees up here, but it's like amazing. You don't eat. Everybody in the back, everybody out here gang, you feel me? Shout out to Chris Wallen. But yeah, man, this is our Thanksgiving break. Hope y'all enjoy this vlog. If you're new, push the like button, share it, and subscribe. And let's get to it. Brrr. Yeah!
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 Yeah, where we at? Are we at the mall?
No.
No, where we at?
M.
Who's that?
M.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, M.
Yeah.
Yeah, M.
Yeah. Yeah! Tell me what your name is.
Two.
No. What's your name?
Three.
No. What's your name?
Two, that's for more.
We're finna go inside the mall. They got Macy's, Dillard's, JCPenney, and At Home. I don't know what that is. We about to go inside the stores and see what they have. And hopefully we can see what we want to get for Black Friday, So I'll see y'all inside. Y'all know Treasy. Y'all know Treasy love the kids. Love the kids. Woo! Hey! Ha ha! Hey, Ma, tell her have your pants, Ma. Yeah. Give him a story time, Ma.
Shut up.
Hey, Mommy.
Georgia's not my place. You already
This is my mom. She look like me a little bit, except she a little chocolate junk.
What?
That's tough. That's tough.
It's cold out here. I didn't plan to be at no darn mall on my Thanksgiving break.
Why not?
I come to Georgia to get on the couch and stay there.
What if you might find something you like?
Recording me with my hand on it.
Nobody knows that until you just told them. All right, let's go to the store. See you later. That's tough. That is tough.
I got no purse.
Oh, that's tough.
Be a person.
Why you eat it? Mom, why you eat it for? You ain't buy nothing?
All right.
Dang, look at the stove. Ain't it nice? Alright, that's late, but look at the stove. This stove go hard. Look at that. That's tough. And then I got, what is this? A jeweler? That's nice. Everything twice, man.
Why you left her? You put her in. You gotta strap him in. You want nothing left her? He's not even strapped in. Go strap him in. Go ahead, Lexi.
Yeah, she did. Why is he not strapped in, Nani? You need help?
No, I got it.
You alright?
I'm good.
You good? You good? You ugly with me. You good? Come on. Oh, y'all look at something sick. Hey, man, we finna go to the store. I'm finna see her when I go into a store, and we gonna go from there, all right? See everyone later. Brr. Say hey to the vlog.
Hi, hi, hi.
Not Jerry's.
Keep hitting me.
Where he at? Sincere. This is Forever 21. Oh my gosh. So here's the Santa stage, I guess. They have it like it's real? Fake. But you know how it is, you know, Santa Claus is sitting up there. But overall it's the whole outfit, man. It's a nice store. Very, very flashy. Or a shoe store. You got Lady Foot Locker, Hibbit Sports, and Forever 21. And now we're gonna see where we're gonna go here now. I don't know where we're gonna go now.
Let's go, Momo. Come on.
Hello, big fella. How you doing?
Huh?
You alright, big fella?
Chilling.
Oh, Jurassic Park. That's the gaming. Hollister. I guess this is the new store. Oh, candy. Okay. Chains. On sale. 1,500?
Fake.
Dang, that's tough.
Take care. How much is take care?
He's tough. Jury out? Oh, I might give me a penny. These pennies are hella fun. Well, yeah, that ain't gonna work. I don't know the fuck. Oh, wow, that is. Oh, the tennis chains. Look at that.
$6.50 for this. How much are the bubble letters? $2.79.
$250.
How you know they real?
Anyway,
It's fake. This can't be real.
LPD.
That's crazy. $2.79.
Well, this clock's be hella harder. I don't know. I might. Oh look, $39.99 and no, $29.
What's up, Bob? What's up, Bob, man?
Water. What's it called? Water? And how much are these down here, buddy? How much are the glizzies down here? The one. No, one up there. Right side. Down the one. Down. Over to your right. That one. Yeah, how much is that?
So fake.
How much is that?
$75.
I don't know if I should get me a pennant or should I get that chain. I don't really know. I'm not trying to spend that money right now because I'm just looking right now. So I ain't trying to get too flashy with it, but there's. What's a nice store?
$2.80 for the sea, man.
It's on sale for $45.
$45.
Black Friday special, bro. Black Friday special.
But if it's
Black Friday special, bro.
But if it's, I was about a real one. I don't want my, like, you know what I'm saying?
He don't
I
want
get
it to
in the
start
shower and then it start changing colors.
Yeah, you can take shower with that.
This.
Nope.
See, I don't want. I want to be able to have it in the shower.
Alright, man.
That's tough. Come on. That's tough. What is it? Alright, y'all boys. Oh, we're going to the Hollister store. What's up, artist? That's great in here, though. you know, I could be a hostel model, bro. Just give me the time of day, bro. I don't want this, bro. You know. This place is hella expensive. I don't know what to get for them.
I want some soup.
31, 32. Okay. Clean without looking swiftly. Gang, gang.
You got a Gucci belt?
Mommy.
Is it real Gucci? How much Gucci cost?
How much go?
This is my sauce. That's your sauce.
So currently,
You say that?
I'm at the food court, and I got me some food. Hella hungry, bro. Mukbang, bro. A lot of sales. I found joggers for $10. That's tough. That's tough.
But y'all ain't got that man back.
Yeah. She wants some. That's tough. That's tough. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all later when I get in the car when we're leaving. But it's some good Chinese food. I'm glad y'all boys. I'll see y'all shortly. And y'all stay black and stay blessed. Choose Inc. We're going on an adventure. Here?
Oh, homeboy had the Wendy's.
Oh, this is fun.
Look, hold on. Okay. Y'all got Black Friday sale going on tomorrow?
Huh?
A Black Friday sale.
Yeah.
Why you ain't tell me that?
Look, it's sticking up your dumb price, man.
Now look, hold on, Trey.
Hey, man, hey.
Boy, what?
How much are they, bro?
What's your name?
Fish.
Fish. His name Fish.
Fish, okay, Fish. My name is
Where you
Choose
from?
Inc.
Nigeria.
He
Where you
from
from?
Nigeria.
You lying, for real?
For real.
He got
You
the
better
heat.
not.
Trey, he
The
Trey.
heat,
He
Gucci.
got the real, yeah.
Ooh, my dog clean, my dog clean.
Now look, what? All right, now look, what we got up here?
Hey, man, what you doing? You know this, man?
Chill. This is about connection. We have the Gucci, right?
Gucci.
Yeah. Now look.
Shout him out on YouTube. How much are those, bro?
6'5",
Tom?
6'5".
65. Oh, you, a manager or something.
Yeah, I'm a manager. I got
That's fine.
It's Ray-Bans?
Yeah, Raven.
Hey, how much is that over there? That snake, yeah, that.
9 to 5. 9 to 5.
95?
9 to 5.
Plus, and then it's the taxes.
Yeah.
Cost $95?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, spot though, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, my dog, clean. Tell them about it, Chris. Bro, we just came out with a steal, bro. We still ready, you know what I mean? Come back, slide. But yeah, we came with a steal. We got a steal, man.
I'm trying to tell you.
But yeah, you know. God, it is cold out here, man. It's cold. This concludes our vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Push the like button, share, subscribe, all that, man. Just do all that. It's too cold for this, bro. Send the video, man. Bye.